Okay guys, there's the view from the top. You come on down. Several different ways you can come down. And this is the last of the super technical section right here. You probably can't see how steep it is, but it's a nice hefty drop. It's pretty sweet. Then you continue on, doing some switchbacks and some nice curves going downhill. Okay, let's go back up and check it out. Ooh yeah, nice weather. All right, remember, this looks worse than what it is right here. Just stay to the left and you're all right. Make sure I'm in the right gear for this. All right, so I'm gonna take it to the left because more for the beginner's side. You guys can get a slower view, see how I'm going, check out the routes. The hard part is this last part, more in your mind. Just don't touch the brakes and you're fine. Just let it roll, like that. Yeah. Nice TR brakes, guys. They work, they pay off every time. Ooh, I love this trail. Too bad it's not long. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, today I am in La Zona Freeride El Cortafuegos, or Chinchilla de Monte Oregon, in Castilla Mancha, un pueblo de Albacete. Alright, check it out. This place has got a lot of different cool stuff, alright? Everything you could ask for. I'm not going to show you all of it today because, well, I don't really have the time. But I want to show you some of it because I know my last two videos I did a lot of talking. I did the gimbal review and I told you guys a little bit more about who I am. So this video, we're just going to ride. Let's check out some trails, alright guys? Vamos. This place has a little bit of everything, like I said. They're short trails, you got a couple long trails, but they're all close together so you can combine them. So let's just check out a little bit of what we got. This first one's really fun. A bunch of switchbacks just going downhill. It's short. Some of these switchbacks though are hairy. You know, GoPros never show the angle. You got rocks, drops, trees. A really good place to learn to pick up your skills, obviously. Next trail. I'll put all the names at the bottom. This one's fun, fast. Yeah. So, I'll just apologize now for the shakage of the footage, huh? Because you got these drops like this one. Yeah. And another one. And that's where I'm sure the gimbal failed. And probably why I need to swap sides or learn to play with the motor skills on it. Love this trail, guys. Okay, I never take this berm, but why not? Ah, they made a kid line. So you guys ever come out this way, I do recommend you guys come and ride these trails. And if you time it right, you can get some really, really, really good paella in the pueblo. Oh, Chinchilla. One of my favorite places actually in the south of Spain. And it's a beautiful pueblo. I got a video on the pueblo I made a few years ago. Okay guys, we're about to be walking into the square. I believe it's called La Plaza de la Mancha. Oh yeah. Alright, so here we are in the square. Let's check out the square. Really nice, really nice. People come here to eat. All the old people, they're all staring. Remember guys, there's more here in Chinchilla than just the castle, which you'll see in a little bit, and these cuevas, caves in English. There's museums, there's churches, there's hiking trails, there's a lot of really cool things to see.
Le queda poco.
¿Cómo?
Que le queda ya poco.
Es jamón...
Pata negra.
Pata negra. ¿Sigo? ¿Te sigo? Ah, vale.
Vas a ver.
No, voy detrás de ti. Ah, vale. Ah, muy bien. Ah.
¿Trabajando?
Sí. Bueno, hola, soy Tomás. Bendito calor. Really, it's maldito calor. Me da igual. Alright, here we are. Bienvenidos a Castillo de Chinchilla, de Monte Oregon. Been a while since I've done it. Real technical, knock everything out here. Whew. Oh yeah, love it. Sliding around on this stuff. You get so used to it after a while. And it's shaded. Oh yeah. Vamos. Okay, that's it for that one. Let's climb back up the hill and get another trail. I like this one too. This one's a lot of fun. A lot of fun, rocky. But these are, you got a lot more planted rocks here. So, I mean, they're always going to be in the same place. Oh, yeah. And of course now, we're going to get some beautiful cliff side views. Very romantic. You and your girl can watch these videos together. Check out the beautiful pueblecico de España. Sorry, bad jokes. I'll shut up now. Whew. The only thing on this trail you gotta be careful about is at the end, nice drop. Just always stay within your comfort zone. Hey, there's things I do a million times, and then for some reason, I'm riding it, and then it's the day I choose not to do it. That was it. I know it looks like nothing on their GoPro. Whew. Oh, yeah. All right, climb up to the next trail. This will be the last trail. I think it's 2 put together. Oh, good old climbing. Gotta head back to the pueblo for lunch, or else the family will kill me, specifically my girlfriend. Something important about the Spanish culture. La hora de comer. Ya está. Alright, coming to the end of this first trail, I'm linking them together, taking it right back to the car. Feels so nice to be out today. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, they even smoothed this out. A lot of work's been happening out here, guys. Wow. Holy crap. This used to be rock heaven, gnarred out. Now it's clean. It's weird. A lot easier now. What? A lot faster, I guess. But that natural feeling's gone. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Still freaking awesome now. Chinchilla. Oh, they took the trees out. And this is smooth now too. Huh. Really happy with today's little ride. Short but sweet. Let's go to the car. Alright guys, that's about it for today. Hope you enjoyed Chinchilla. Remember, there's a lot more things to do here. So like I told you before, if you like what you saw, come check it out. It's time for me to go. So you know what I'm gonna say, get up, get out, and get gone. Holla at me. Don't forget, subscribe, like, follow me, comment. See ya. Okay, well, I made it for lunch. very good, because I tell you what, having a Spanish girlfriend, if you're not there for lunch, 3 rules. You're going to the beach a lot, or the pool. You're going to the pueblo a lot. And you better understand the hours of eating, because the Spaniards don't eat like us Americans.